of all, good evening, Akansha. How are you?
Evening. Yes, I'm good. What about you?
I'm also good. Okay. After all, first of all, our viewers also know that you are Akansha, I'm Tanya. So today we will not take so much time for introduction. We will directly start our conversation.
Okay,
Okay? Is it okay?
okay, no problem.
So the topic is father's role in the child's life.
Yes,
We will
yes.
elaborate this topic.
Okay.
Okay. So please start.
Yes, it's a right thing. Fathers also plays a very good role in their children,
Yeah.
and it's a fact that. But sometimes it's happened different because sometimes when we see our parents, our father, when we they uh, impose their desire, impose their things whatever they want, that time it would be difficult to fulfill their desire. Sometime it's happened.
You learn from your father. Every child learn something from their father.
Yes, but sometime what happened, some children have their own desire, their choice.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes, and that moment, the fathers always impose their whatever they want,
Mm-hmm.
and whatever they did not fulfill their desire, that time they want to, my children will fulfill my all desire. But it is sometime it's happened, it's true, sometime some children are able to fulfill their parents desire, but some children were not, some children will not fulfill their parents desire. They have all different choice,
Mm-hmm.
and they have also different uh, things whatever they want to go. And that time I have seen most of the people who has a different choice and their children have a different choice. That time they have a you can say they have a mindset is already different, and that time I have seen lot of difficulties they are facing.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why we should not, I think so, in this scenario we should not impose our desire on our children, because in this scenario, and if I talk about earlier, 20 years ago scenario was different.
Mm-hmm. But
Because
my but my question is, every child learns so many things with their parents, like her mother, like her father. What you learn from your father? Every child learns something, special from their father. I'm
okay,
asking this question.
okay. Yes, I have already learned lot of things learned from my fathers, because my fathers, being a good parents, he taught us good lesson in his life. And still, whenever I go with my fathers, that time I must uh, learn something different from him. And he is my inspiration, you can say, my fathers always, because I have learned lot of things. Because you can say my fathers always motivate us. Okay, whenever I get stuck in my life, whenever I have a lot of trouble, that time I he taught me, no, there's so many difficulties in our life, just we should take patience. And these types of lesson I have learned from my fathers, because
Good.
he also suffered lot of problem, lot of trouble in his life. That's why. And yeah, most of the people also learn from their parents, but sometimes it's different because some parents are not able to good give their good decision, good lesson in their life, because they are not.
Pressure on their child, forcibly impose.
Yes. And some parents, I have seen some parents are already in drinking, and some
Yeah.
that time their children also do some same things like drinking, smoking, and these
Yeah.
types of habits already affect on their children also.
Get
And
these very easily.
yes, that's why we should not, we can't say that all parents are good because of because all parents thinks their parents about good thing, no matter they are drinking, they are smoking, no matter, but they are personally thinking inwardly, they think about their children positive. But
Mm-hmm.
they don't know na, they don't know what will affect if I drink, if I smoke in front of my children, what
Sometimes
will
they abusive language also.
yes, abusing also. They don't understand that time, that moment, and they
Yeah.
start talking, abusing, they start quarreling with each other, their wife, and that time they don't understand this effect. But after some time it will happen when they see their children, they also follow the same things. That time they feel, no, I have done wrong things in front of them, we should not have done such types of things, we should not smoke such types of things.
Yeah.
Yes, it's it's a effect already, whether they are doing good things or whether are wrong things, it's affect very easily.
Yeah.
And what do you think?
I'm also agree with your point of view. Now I'm telling about my father. My father, I learn a thing from my father. That is punctuality. My father always said, if somebody is not punctual of the time, he can't or she can't achieve anything. So this thing I learned from my father, punctuality. And second thing, we should be honest in our relationship
Yes, of course.
and
Yes, this
loyal.
thing, yes, this type of things we always take from our fathers or mothers.
Yeah.
It's very easily we can grab. But sometime what happened, our parents gives unknowing, they gives lot of bad thing also,
So
you
now
know.
I'm telling story. A very good father. Everyone knows that father. May I
Okay.
start?
Yes, yes.
Have you heard about Fogart sisters? They are wrestlers. Geeta Fogart, Babita Fogart.
No, I haven't.
Okay, okay. A movie is based on their life. The movie name is Dangal. Have you watched this movie? Have you watched this movie? Dangal.
Yes,
Starred Amir Khan.
yes, yes, I have heard.
This movie is based on their life, and the movie is based on their father's life, Mahavir Fogart, who has
Okay.
done that time. They are belong from Haryana, and everyone knows Haryana. There are so many wrestlers, but in India there are few wrestlers which are those are women.
Okay.
That time his father was also a wrestler. So that time he decided he will make his daughters a wrestler. But that time everyone criticized their decision. That daughter can't be a wrestler because it is something a different field.
Yes, that's why I am saying now, imposing is not important. First of all, we our parents should have need to understand their mindset, their children mindset, in which field they want to go.
The good thing is he was a very dedicated father. He gave 100% their effort. After that, Geeta Fogart is the first Indian wrestler who win the gold medal in Commonwealth. And Babita Fogart is also very famous. He is a very good father as well as a very good coach also. So this is
Yes,
the example of the you can say a great father. Mother is also very, everyone say that mother is very important in the family, but father has an important role also in the family. Nobody talk about the father's role. But we are right now discussing about father's role in the family. Father are also important character of the family.
of course, 100%. Without father, I can say that it's very difficult to survive our life, and we cannot survive our in emotionally, in physically, we cannot suffer with a good way, because when we have a father, that time we feel strong with
Yeah.
ourselves, because we feel whether we have a not lot of money, but we have a support, father
And
support, that time we feel very
feel
comfortable.
we feel safe financially because I think in every family, father is an earning person. So every
Earning.
child he needs some, money. Always, he want that my father should give some money. Never go to mother. So
Yes,
he's a
of course.
financial supporter also.
Yes, yes, of course. It's a true thing, because I have also feeling these types of things, because without father, oh my God, if they have a no, yes, uh, someone who has a no father, they feel
Yeah.
without father how we can survive, they only can feel. But we blessed with our father still, which is very good thing. We should respect our father, because father's blessings all the times take care of our life, you know.
In my opinion, my father is a great supporter, and he always support me in every decision of my life.
Yes, yes. And what do you think, after marriage also father support us? What do you think, how
I
you can
always
say
support.
that?
My daughter is always right. She can't do, any wrong thing. After marriage, they believe my father's upbringing is very good. He has given us, because we are four siblings, and he has given on. He has given very good upbringing.
Okay. Yeah.
Background is, my grandfather was in a defense person. So the basic thing is punctuality. You can say it is in anuvanshik. What can we use? Heredity. This is a heredity trait in our family. All the persons are very punctual of that time, and I really love this quality.
And I have one question for you. What do you think about your husband being a father? He's very good fathers for her child, her daughters. How do you define? What do you think?
She's
And
a very good father for her daughter. He's also a lecturer, so he know what is the value of the father. But
one
mothers
example, I
love destroy the child. Sometimes mothers love destroy the child.
yes, because
So father be sometimes disciplined, and sometimes their training should be very hard.
and if I talk about my family,
Mm-hmm.
um, my children also don't scared in front of me. He always scared with his father, because of father always they maintain their discipline, and that's why my children also maintain their discipline in front of his father. And whatever they want to say, it's very you can say, they are very factual. Whatever they want to say, they can say very easily in front of my husband. And I have seen, and my daughters, whatever they have she has a problem in his life, in her life, always discuss with her father, her papas. And that's why my husband all the time uh, mm, gives her a good lesson. Wherever you go, beta, just you feel good lesson. It means he always try to give her good lesson, like wherever you go alone, that time how you should go, and how you feel someone is going to behave bad things. And these types of lesson I can teach her, but I can't teach, because in my husband always teach my daughters and my son. A bad thing, bad touching, good touch. And
But in my case, it is opposite. My husband never teach my daughter. You can say he had no time, first of all, and he always gave the always say that she is very small. I can't handle her, so you should handle her.
no,
When
my
she
husband
comes great, I will handle by myself.
and my husband always try to make her understand what is good thing, what is wrong thing, and wherever you go and when you come across with the new people, how they are behaving with yourself, that time you should try to understand what is the mindset of
My
people.
husband, he always keep an eye of her daughter. What is she doing, and what is the performance in her class? Always.
Okay. And these things also, and these types of things I always free, because my husband already take care of her their children. I have two kids, and they take care of whatever they have going on their life, bad things, good things, he always take care, which
Mm.
is very good thing. And I have observed, no, being a father, he is very good. Because when I my younger son is approx 6 years old, okay, and when he was very young, that time when I go to outside, that time he take care of him. I don't, because all the time he mentally, physically, emotionally, he always support. And that's why I can say that my husband also being a good father. and and if I talk about my fathers, always I always blessed with his blessings, all things. Yeah.
So I can also say that I got the punctuality from my father. Me and my daughter got the discipline with my husband. He's a
Okay.
very disciplined person.
Yeah. I'm asking here, teaching means good lesson. It means whatever they taught you, still they are teaching you. It means good lesson wherever
Yeah,
you
because
get.
in their I always a little child for my father. You know, whole life I will be a child for my father.
Yes,
I
yes,
think every daughter and every son, you know, every phase of the life, he always gets some knowledge from their father, sometimes mother also.
yes.
I like your conversation.
Okay,
Hope we will
thank you.
meet again with a new topic. Okay?
Oh,
Till then, bye bye, Akansha, and have a nice
bye.
day.